know if this used to be a boat ramp or what. It's kind of washed out. Now I do have the Chico 705 on the front. It is absolutely trash and sand, so we're just gonna creep around. It ain't nothing but sand. Looks like a fun spot. Yeah, buddy. Don't go down, don't go down. Woo! Check out the scenery. And I'm shooting this in 4K, so hopefully I can load it and edit it. All my electronics are pretty much maxed out on memory. I gotta get some external memory packs, whatever you want to call them, SSD cards. But let's see. Well, I guess I'll go right up here and just see. Oh, it looks like it kind of ends. Get some momentum going. Yep. Just ends. And this is slick too. If you had a real dirt bike, this would be a blast, or some knobbies. Not Chico 701s for sure. Let's see what this is. Whoa! Almost did it. Lost my momentum. Gotta have momentum. Well, it's actually a pretty neat little place here. Now I'm going into the sun, so probably gonna mess up the picture some. attempt that. I'm probably gonna be stuck. So much better having a one finger clutch. Woo.